Hey, this is the mockup. These are the mockups for Quarterplan. So let me explain a bit what's going on. So Quarterplan is a tool to help teams set their objectives and then stay on top of their objectives as they go throughout the quarter. And there are several steps in the process. The first step is setting your objectives. So you've got this objectives page where I don't know why I don't see my mouse cursor, but you've got this improved conversion rate that has one key result. So a key result is like something that you want accomplished, and you're going to track the progress of that thing you want accomplished. And you've got improved day one retention rate, which you see is in orange, which means it's a bit late, and you might not be able, because you can see there's 7 days left on that objective, and the person who's responsible for this goal feels that they might not be able to complete it. So by showing this status, it will trigger discussions, and maybe people will start helping each other. And if I click on two key results, I can open the specific metrics, and I can see the evolution of these metrics over time, and I'll show you how you update these metrics. So if I click on review, I can see the past week. So review is about the past, progress is about current week, and plan is about the next week. So review, here I can see that the goal has improved by 9.3% in that week, which is good. But with now there's a problem with this goal, so we need to look at what's going on. And then for each of the team members, I can see what they've done during that week and what they are planning to do for the next week. Then if I move to progress, so that's throughout the week, you can, and by the way, the review is also something you're going to receive as an email every week. Now, progress is where you actually, it's a bit like a high-level dashboard, where you can add more high-impact tasks, complete them. Obviously, this integrates with week plan, so they also appear, and you can schedule them in your week plan and work on them whenever it's time. But also here you can update your goals. So if I click on orange or red, it will change the status of my goal, and then I can also change the key results progress. And it doesn't have to be percent. Maybe this one is not percent, but it might be a number of blog posts that needs to be written this week. Write 100 blog posts, something like that. And then I click update all, and it will send that data point to the database. So that's for progress, very easy. You would come to this. Basically, this is the default page. When you arrive on Quarterplan, you would arrive here. That's your current, what you should be working on, and to check in basically on your progress. And then finally, here you can see there's a small icon that says, hey, you need to set your plan for next week. And that will prompt you when you are approaching the end of the week. So maybe Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, for example, would show that icon. And then you would come here, and you would see, okay, next week I'm planning to do this. By the way, when you add a high impact task, you associate it with a role like we have currently in week plan. And then the tool tells you which goals don't have any commitment at the moment, so that it may prompt you to add more high impact tasks. And you can see that when it's time for review, so let's say it's Monday, we got everybody's plan. You can go to review and see what everybody has done during the previous week and what they are saying they are going to do this week. And that's it. That's really the first attempt at Quarterplan. We are going to get a lot of feedback on that before we start implementing, and also we might implement that in HTML and CSS so that it looks like it's integrated inside WeekPlan, and then gather feedback and see where that takes us. Thanks.